Bukas nga sila. Bukas nga. Another day, while waiting in the parking lot for Dad, nga is also used to agree to what was said. Halimbawa, someone said, Siguro galit si Ana, or maybe Ana is mad. Siguro galit si Ana. And you wanna agree to that, yeah, maybe Ana is mad. Yeah, maybe. Siguro nga, maybe nga. And I just wanna add another way to say maybe sa Tagalog ay baka. Siguro galit si Ana, or baka galit si Ana. And you wanna agree to that, so you're gonna say siguro nga, or baka nga. Be careful how you say baka or baka. You know, some people pronounce it the same, but cow is baka in Tagalog. And maybe, the word maybe, some people pronounce it the same as you pronounce cow or baka, and some pronounce maybe as baka. Use nga if you're going to say something and you want it to sound less of a command but more of a request. Yes, you can use it like naman sa parehong dahilan for the same reason. And if you haven't seen the video about using naman, you can check sa ibaba, and I'm going to put the link there, or click the suggested video up here. Mga halimbawa, tawagan mo naman ako once you get there. I wanna say hi to them. Tawagan mo ako. If I say tawagan mo ako, that's a command. But if I want it to sound less of a command but more of a request, tawagan mo naman ako. And now, let's see using nga. Tawagan mo ako, that's a command. Tawagan mo nga ako, once you get there, you wanna say hi to them. Another example, did you already upload our video on Facebook? Tag me naman. It's more of a request, not a command. Let's use nga. Tag me nga. At syempre, depende sa tono ng boses. If I say, tawagan mo nga ako, I'm making a request. But if I'm already pissed off and I said, tawagan mo nga ako, it helps in stressing out that I told you to call me. I told you to call me. In Tagalog, if someone keeps asking the same question or they're bothering you and you already said yes, oo nga. In English, we say, yes, I already said yes. I already said yes. In Tagalog, oo nga. Now let's bother Mama. Mama, gutom ka ba?
Hindi pa naman ba?
Hindi. Mama, gutom ka ba? Mama,
Oo.
gutom. No, you should say hindi. Mama, gutom ka ba?
Sasabihin kong hindi, kumakain ako.
We're doing a video lesson. Mama, gutom ka ba?
Hindi.
Alam ko na. We should change your answer to oo. Mama, gutom ka ba?
Oo.
Gutom ka ba?
Oo.
Oo nga.
Oo nga.
There you go. Bird, you know there's another meaning of nga. What is that? Nga is also used to confirm what was previously said. Halimbawa, Mom said, the tree is so big. Ang laki ng puno. Where's the big tree? Where's the big tree? Right there. Example, Mom said, ang laki ng puno. Ang laki ng puno, oh. The tree is so big. Look. And I look at the tree at malaki nga. So, I'm gonna say, oo nga, malaki nga. Or, malaki nga. In English, we say, oh yeah, it is big. Oo nga, malaki nga. Bukas kaya yung Jollibee? Bukas nga sila. Bukas nga. Get our spaghetti. Subukan natin itong Jollibee spaghetti. Mom said it is good. Masarap nga. Masarap nga. It is indeed good. I think that's a package. Package nga. Why are you late? Bakit ka late? And the person said, basta, basta. And if you haven't seen basta, the link is down here or up here. Why are you late? Basta. And you wanna insist the question. So you said, bakit nga? Bakit nga? I said, why? Bakit nga? What's for dinner? Basta. Basta. And you wanna insist the question. Ano nga? Ano nga? Who's with you last night? Secret. Sino nga? Sino nga? Ayan lang. That's all. I hope it's not gonna be a long video. Last one. This is really the last one. Just in case you guys encounter this, so just so you know. One more example of using nga na walang eksaktong translation sa Ingles. You know, if someone said something and you're doubting it, or you could hardly believe it, you know, in English we say, really? In Tagalog, you can say, hindi nga. If someone told you that they saw Superman, who? Really? Your first reaction would be, di nga. Really?